So before we bring in today's guest, I do want to quickly set the stage with two things. A short primer on R&D tax credits themselves, the actual program that we're talking about here today, and then why partnerships are such a compelling opportunity right now. Then I'm going to invite my colleagues Ashley and Mfon to go much deeper into both topics. So first things first, I'm going to do a quick screen share, and we are going to do a short primer on R&D tax credits. So at a high level, R&D tax credits are a federal incentive under IRC Section 41 that rewards U.S. businesses for investing in developing or improving products, processes, software, and other technology. It's been around since 1981, but a lot has changed recently. Specifically, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act restored immediate expensing of domestic R&D costs. Form 6765's new Section G adds real complexity to how claims get documented. And on top of the federal credit, 35 plus states offer their own R&D tax credits that can stack on top. So put simply, this is bigger, more valuable opportunity today than it has been in years. And a lot of firms haven't caught up yet, which brings us to our next point. Why partnerships? Here's the thing about R&D tax credits. Claiming them well takes both technical expertise to know what actually qualifies and financial tax expertise to build a claim that holds up. That's a hard combo to build in-house, especially for firms that only see a handful of qualifying clients every year. That's exactly why Boast built a partner program, so CPAs and accounting firms can offer this to their clients and add real value to those relationships without having to become an R&D tax credit specialist themselves. We've helped more than 2,000 companies access over $900 million in R&D tax credits since 2011, and increasingly that's happening through firms just like yours. So that's the shape of where we're headed. Now let's bring in the two people who live this every day, Mfon and Ashley. So Ashley, I'm going to look to you first. Can you tell everyone a bit about your role at Boast and what you focus on day to day?